Hey guys, the next Coolify service that we're going to be self-hosting is called Pocketbase. It's an open source backend as a service, and it helps you create web apps and mobile applications faster and easier, as it says right here. So once we self-host it, it will look like this. We'll get a platform with our collections. You'll be able to see logs from your database. So let me show you how to self-host it. In Coolify, in the Projects tab, hit the Add button up here. We're going to call it Pocketbase. Click on the production environment. Click on Add a new resource. Then search for Pocketbase. Select the server where you want to self-host it on. And now we're pretty much done. Let's go ahead and hit deploy. So our container has started. I'm going to close this window. And as you can see here, it says running unhealthy. And we're not going to visit the URL as is like this. What you want to do is actually we are still going to copy it and then open it up in a new tab. But as you will see here, nothing happens. But we will use this tab in a second. The first thing we want to do is actually go into the Logs tab. And right here, hit refresh. So here, as you can see, it actually gives us instructions on how to create our first super user. And it also tells you the URL that's valid. So it's actually _/. So if we wanted to, we could visit that. But what we're going to do is we're going to visit this URL here, this long one that's right here. And to do that, I'm just going to copy it starting from here and copy it all the way to the _/. And then I'm going to paste that right here. So now I'm going to hit enter. And now we can create our first super user. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Hit create and log in. And that's it. We have now logged in to our Pocketbase instance, and we can go ahead and use it as however we please. So I'm going to just show you that you can create new records, and you can also change the way that this collection actually functions by hitting edit collection. You can add a new collection relatively easy as well. The UX is very straightforward and really pleasing to use. That's something I really appreciate. So we can go ahead and visit our logs, which is pretty neat. There's the settings, which we won't really touch right now. But crucially, you can also click the API preview here to show how you would actually integrate Pocketbase with your existing app. So I love these type of documentation where it actually inputs data that's relevant to your instance directly. So this way you can figure out how to quickly use the code to then run operations on your database. As you can see here, it says auth2 is disabled. Same with OTP. And so if you wanted to enable this for this collection, which you would probably want to do for your users collection, you would close this and then go into the edit collection, click on that. And here on the options tab, this is where you will find the OAuth2 and OTP. So right here, you would click on that and then hit enable. And then you would have to add your provider. So you would need to know your provider's client ID or whatever it is that they require. So that's going to be it for this video. That's how you self-host Pocketbase. Nice and easy and straightforward. I will see you in the next one.